Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service.
Employee share percentage for regular, casual, and job order.
But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify in the bell icon if there is new update.
Take note, this manual is intended to have the authority to access PHIC share. By every department expected, he will be able to add employee share percentage to specific personnel under the same department. If ever the different group description, but same process flow, you need like medical regular, medical casual number 1, medical casual number 2, medical job order, non-medical regular, non-medical casual, non-medical job order number 1, and non-medical job order number 2. Navigate to My Other Payroll, PHIC share, employee share percentage. And you can also navigate to main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click the My Other Payroll drop-down list will be visible. Click PHIC share and select employee share percentage to continue. Take note, employee share percentage application modal page have required fields that needs to be filled with values. Since you will not be able to save the data if fields aren't filled with information in group description, there are many values that correspond to employment type, like for regular, casual, and job order, employee. In this page also, it have filter of department that belongs to each hospitals. The page will only be accessed to authorized employee of each different hospitals. How to add employee share percentage, regular. Step 1. Select medical regular to add employee share percentage. In main page before to continue, select the department. To continue, select department Monte Vista Hospitals to add employee share percentage. In main page before clicking the add button to continue. A combo list box is a user input device in which the user can select an option from a drop-down list or type in a value into a text box so that the appropriate choice can be selected. This term may also be used in reference to a drop-down list, which only allows choices to be selected. User cannot type a value. Step 2. Try to add information. Click Add button. In order to save, take note, all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field if you click Add button without inputting values in any field. Step 3. Click Add button. Step 4. Click Employee Name drop-down list for you to select the specific employee. Take note, all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field if you click Save button without inputting values in any field. Step 5. Input values specifically in all required fields. Step 6. Click Close icon if you don't want to save information. Step 7. If you click Close icon, data will not be saved. Please repeat Step 3, 4, and 5. Step 8. If you want to save application, click Save button to save information. Take note, a pop-up confirmation window will appear that your record has been successfully saved. Step 9. Click OK button for you to continue. How to edit applied employee share percentage application. Take note, in editing an applied employee share percentage application are editable, unlike employee name, position title, monthly rate, and effective date are not editable. However, If you save application record or successfully save like the employee share period from end period to, that will be the time where you will be able to edit the application. Take note to update. Edit all needed information before clicking the Save button to save current changes. Employee share percentage editable fields. Employee share period from end period to, that you are allowed to edit and update the applied application. Step 1. Click Edit button for you to edit information. Step 2. Select specific record on the table grid below to input or replace values in all required fields. Click Edit button to update information. Step 3. Click close icon if you don't want to replace or update information. Step 4. Repeat Step 1 to continue to edit information and click Save button if you want to save updated information. Step 5. Click OK button for you to continue and go back to the employee share percentage page. How to delete applied employee share percentage application. Step 1. While on the main page of employee share percentage, select Delete button for you to delete information. Step 2. Click Delete if you want to delete applied application. Step 3. Click Cancel button if you don't want to delete the selected record. Step 4. Click OK button if you want to delete information. Take note 1. Once you click the Delete button, expected no pop-up window will appear that the main page have no data found and the selected data is not displayed on the table grid below. If no data added on table grid below, repeat all steps on how to add employee share percentage. Take note 2. Same process is being applied on adding PHIC share even if it is medical or non-medical for regular and casual and job order employees. Same also for other hospitals. Thank you for watching.